Yeah, because, and at the end, the claim was about, we are not at the end of the claim because the discussion is running.
Still going
who
on,
will
okay.
pay it. But at the moment, you have about 20,000 euros the guy get from his insurance.
Hello guys, my name is Gibran and welcome back to my channel. I have been making videos on this channel for quite a long time, and this is the very important topic that I have made videos on this a lot of time, but you guys still don't believe me. I still get emails and messages that, Gibran, this has happened, tell me what we should do. The thing is, if you don't have insurance beforehand, nobody can help you. That is why today I am in the office of an insurance broker who has been in this field for 32 years almost, and he has seen a lot of cases, and most of his audience is coming from the South Asian community like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal. So he has seen a lot, so he can help you. He knows our problems. So that's why I invite Martin that he first introduce himself.
Hello. Hi, I'm Martin. Yeah, we're here in Eschborn near Frankfurt. And yes, he told, I'm an insurance broker. I'm a very old insurance broker and know about insurance. I know a lot about insurance. Let's talk about it.
So tell me, like, what are the most important insurances that everyone should have in Germany?
Yeah, the very most important insurance is Haftpflichtversicherung, liability insurance, because you are liable in Germany unlimited. So, and if you have a claim, yeah, nobody's cost, and the liability insurance is one of the cheapest insurances in Germany. And so it's the most important one. The second one is normally a occupation disability insurance, but it's a little bit complicated to explain it. Yeah, but this is if you are working in Germany, that's the second very important insurance. And the other ones are household insurance, and in the last time more and more legal insurance, because Germans like to have legal problems. Yes, and so it's better to have one because the other one have one, and yeah, then it fits better. Yeah.
So like these four insurances, like liability insurance, occupation insurance, legal, and household.
Yes.
Do you have any scary story or something like that? Like if your client has faced, and the thing is, if they didn't have these insurance, then they might have paid a lot of money from their own pocket.
We have it very often because the problem is we have the biggest problems in the community of the Daisy group is that they are often not at home.
Yes.
And the problem of the water pipes in Germany, if you not use it regularly, they can destroy. Okay. And so we have several. Last year we had about 10 big cases, and one of the cases was a young guy. He bought an apartment here in Germany and wanted to make a renovation. Then he fly to India,
Okay.
and the property management do a renovation. But some weeks later he came back, and when he opened his door, the complete apartment was wet because there was a damage in the water pipes.
Okay.
So, and then the discussion began because the property management say, it's not our case. And the customers say, yeah, you destroyed it because I'm not here in Germany.
And then what happened? Like who paid for it at the end?
Yeah, it was very complicated at the beginning. So first of all, if you have a liability insurance, in this case it's very important because you give the claim to the liability insurance, and the liability insurance has included a small legal insurance to help you to clear the situation if you are really the person who did the damage.
Yeah.
And this was the first step. But then we see, okay, we have to give, normally the cases you have to give it to the house insurance. That's the first step, because at the end, all damages to the building are covered by the house. But first you need a solution, yeah, because you want to sleep, and in these rooms it's not possible to sleep. And a company came and began trying the apartment.
Okay.
So, and then, yeah, with 30 degrees in the rooms, it's not easy to live. And so you have to go in a hotel room. And this needs, for this guy, it's not allowed 2 months. He lived in a hotel. And the insurance in this case paid only for the hotel costs 160 euros a day.
And this was which insurance? Liability insurance or household
This
insurance?
was a household insurance at the end. Yeah. Okay. The liability insurance first is that you have the security that it's covered if they found out you make the damage.
Okay.
That's the first step. But the costs in this case covered by the household insurance, because the damage was at the customer side,
Okay.
and not to us. Yeah. And this was the first step. live in a hotel, and then some of the furnitures destroyed, the couch, the food of the couch and the cupboards are destroyed from the water. Sometimes we get a new apartment at the end, because, and we, at the end the claim was about, we are not at the end of the claim because the discussion is running.
Still going on,
Will
okay.
pay it. But at the moment you have about 20,000 euros the guy get from his insurance, from the household insurances for this damage.
And where did you help? Like, did you guys any help in this claim?
We did all for the guy because it's very complicated. The thing is, insurance companies like aliens, and you need to speak to them in their language. And only if you know this language, the claim will go. Because the customer told us what to do. We give him a recommendation for a lawyer to make clear what is with the property management, and then we talk to the household insurance. We send the pictures. We discuss the story with the customers because it's a process. If you have a very clear story and give it directly with the pictures, with the bills to the insurance company, sees the complete case and can pay directly. And it's very fast, And this insurance company paid very fast. I think after 2 weeks, the guy gets the first payment for the hotel cost of the first month. And after 2 months, he gets the second bill because he needs to stay in the hotel longer. But the process is still running, and until the costs are paid for all the things, it could take some months. But at the end, the good thing is he get the money.
Yes.
And 20,000 euros for the cost for the household insurance was about 70 euros. Okay. Yes, this 70 euros was a very good investment for this
Definitely.
customer.
I think even if he pay for his lifetime, he's still not able to go to 20,000 or something.
That's it. But most people not know what is covered with the insurance.
Yes.
Yeah? And this is, we can help with that because in Germany, insurance brokers are completely free. Okay. And we only have to give recommendations what the customer need. We tell you that you not have to buy everything because when we give you recommendations, sometimes it's 20 different insurance products, but you have to know the problems here in Germany because in other countries, the situation is completely different. If you have friends in the country you live, you can live in their home if the house is burning or something else. But in Germany, if you live alone in Frankfurt and you need to go to a hotel, and it's a ferry in this week. It's a very interesting situation. You can't sleep on the way.
So definitely. It's necessary here. For example, if you are with the insurance broker, then insurance broker is helping you to also file your claim and everything, and then they will get the claim, and you will kind of like a middleman.
Normally, it's possible that the insurance do everything with the power of attorney. We only need to know what happens.
Yes.
Because for us, it's easier to do that. If a claim is not running, it's much more complicated for us. Because then we had to inform the insurance company. The insurance has several informations from the customer, and we have to fill the gaps at the end. So it's like a digital process. If you give the right data to the insurance, then it's running, and it's a very fast solution. But the problem is if we have a support loop. For question, it never will stop.
So the thing is, it's very important to have somebody in between who can help you and get you the best out of it, because insurances in Germany, they speak only German, and Martin is the person who speaks very good English. And if you need any help, then you can actually communicate with English, because most of the people from Pakistan, India, and Bangladesh, we don't learn German that much. And even if you learn German, the insurance German is really hard, even for
the problem is that people looking for English-speaking insurance companies, but the German customers not understand the German insurance companies because they speak their own language. But if you translate insurance German in English, it will fail. Because you need a strategy. It's like a lawyer. It depends on a good lawyer. A lawyer will win the case, and if you have not a lawyer, you will lose every time.
So the thing is, if you guys need consultation, free consultation, as Martin said, like the insurance brokers in Germany are free. So you can actually click the link and get appointment with him or his team, and they can help you what is best for you. You can go for legal insurance, private insurance. They have one-stop shop for all kind of insurances. So click the link and reach him.
That's it.
Thank you for watching. See you next time with another video. Till then, ciao, ciao.